Another day, another chance, another way, another dance. I'm gonna be going through the JavaScript for Kids book with all of you guys. So yeah, JavaScript for Kids. Yeah. So chapter one of JavaScript for Kids. So what is JavaScript Alert? JavaScript's actually awesome, bro. I'm not gonna lie to you. So yeah, JavaScript is very powerful language that's easy to learn. This chapter will explain the basics of programming, tell you what program is, and get started with writing your first JavaScript commands. One of the most important parts of starting any new project is to make sure that your computer is stocked with all the correct tools. In this chapter, you install and configure all the programs you need to start experimenting with some your JavaScript programs. So obviously, in order for you to like do programming and stuff like that, obviously you need to know how to do like the logistics of like programming and like the overall logistics of what you need to know and learn in order to actually program to the best of your own abilities. So yeah, that's that, and yeah, I'm just gonna go through that, man. So electronic computers, as you know, they were first invented in 1930s, but okay, it's just speaking about yada yada yada, 1930s stuff like that, on the street info, they called Ada Lovelace. Wow, beautiful name. Actually, pretty beautiful. I'm not gonna lie to you. Let me go back. So, computer programs help people do many things, right? Which create magazines, design cars, playing music and videos, perform scientific experiments. Then turn to computers. At the heart of every computer is a central CPU. So this is made up of millions of tiny, very fast switches called transistors that can be either on and or off, right? So pretty much, so in chapter one, we're gonna be going through like programming in chapter one. So people have created hundreds of different computer programming languages. But ask yourself why there are so many languages. They're all essentially doing the same thing, right? This so the reason why there's so many languages because write programs in new writing programs will be made in new and better ways that are previously available. Writing programs. So this is pretty much the reason to why there are different languages. Writing programs for newer specialized types of computers. Create new kinds of, of software. Examples of computer programming languages include the following: Java, JavaScript, Logo, C, Objective-C, Perl, Python, Ruby, Scratch, Switch, and Visual Basic. Sorry, it's a list of programs, man. Okay. So, yeah. So, okay, we went through that. Then, went through what is program. So, these are the different types like programs that you can access, right? Different type of programs, you know. So interactive sock puppet, page not found. That's garbage. Okay, so yeah. So that's programming. So yeah, that's programming. Getting your browser ready. So in order for you to like actually program, so you need to get a browser ready. So the one central tool that you need for working with JavaScript is a web browser. They have many different web browsers to choose from, and nearly all of them will do a great job writing JavaScript. Odds are you already have a web browser on your computer. So the most widely used web browser today are Firefox, Fire, and Chrome. The best one for you to use is Google Chrome, right? So it actually has a number of great tools for working JavaScript, so you can expect your JavaScript, right? So opening the web developer tool, so you're gonna right click on your mouse. So what you do is you're gonna in your address bar about dot blank, right? Inspect So what you're gonna do is above colon blank, right click on the mouse, right click on the inspect button, and then just to give you like your simple math, right? If you want to do a timesing operation, you do the asterisk, you press the asterisk button, just like the asterisk button, you press it, the asterisk button you press. If you want to do divide, a slant slash, plus, do plus, minus, you do minus, simple maths. Of times 100%. If you want to do 100% times 100 times 18%, you're going to do 18 divided by 100, and then that's going to equal to like 18%. So yeah, so it's pretty much simple stuff. 4 times 5, 20. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 100 minus 50, 180. So that's how you do it there, right? So that's how you do it, man. So yeah, that's how you do it. So that's pretty much like simple programming. Obviously, it's not like the real deal, like top level programming, but just like entry level stuff. Just like entry level stuff. Just entry level. So that's programming. And then if you want to do write out a string, then you're gonna do Cabello is learning about life. So colon space plus space colon. Did I say colon? Uh, inverted commas. I mean inverted comma. Cabello inverted comma. Space plus space inverted comma space inverted comma inverted comma is learning about life. That stupid, man. So yeah, that's what you do, and Gabriel is learning about life. So yeah, you know, so that's what you do there. So yeah, that's it. That's how you programmed it, but that's just like entry level. So I don't think this is like serious. So yeah, that's how you that's how you program. And until next time, take care. Lord bless, and thank you very much. Take care.